Hi students, I am Ranjit Raj. Welcome to my channel Math Learning Tutorial. So students, today we are going to discuss about the finite and infinite sets. Okay, and this concept is related to exercise 1.4. Okay, so children, see what is finite set and what is infinite set. Okay, so children, it's very simple. So in a set, if number of elements countable, okay, in a set, if number of elements countable, then that is said to be finite set. In a set, if the number of elements uncountable, okay, if a set has infinite number of elements, then that is said to be infinite set. Okay, in a set, if number of elements are not countable, then that is said to be an infinite set. In a set, if number of elements are countable, that is said to be finite set. Okay, and children, one more thing is there, cardinal number. Okay, cardinal number. So cardinal number or cardinality, it means children, the number of elements in a set is called cardinal number. The number of elements in a set is called cardinal number. Means I am taking one set V, set of ovals A comma E comma I comma O comma U. So what is its cardinal number? Means children, we write cardinal number with symbol n of V. It's the number of elements in set V. It means n of V is equal, how many elements are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 elements are there. So children, here cardinal number of this given set is 5. Okay. Now children, let's see exercise problems. Children, now let's see exercise problem. First problem in exercise 2.4. State whether the following sets are empty and which are not. So children, what is an empty set? In a set, if there are no elements, then that is said to be empty or void set. Okay, means children, number of elements in empty set 0. If no elements there means that is called empty set. And see, first question, the set of lines passing through a given point. The set of lines passing through a given point. Suppose one point is there, children. So many lines you can draw no, through that point. So this is not empty set, children. Okay, so first one is not empty set. It's not empty. So let's see second question in this bit. Set of odd natural numbers. Set of odd natural numbers which are divisible by 2. So children, 3, 5, 1, okay, 1, 3, 5, 7, so on. All these numbers are called odd natural numbers. Children, odd natural numbers are not exactly divisible by 2. So there are no such type of numbers which are divisible by 2 in odd naturals. So it's an empty set. It's an empty set. Now let's see third question. X such that x is a natural number, x is less than 5, x is greater than 7. Children, x should be less than 5 and x should be greater than 7. So if you take the numbers like this, here 5 will be there and here 7 will be there. Greater than 7 will means the right side. Less than 5 means the left side to 5. Any common element is there, children. In this case, in this way, we are not finding any natural number which is less than 5 and greater than 7. So it's an empty set. So third one, it's an empty set. It's an empty set. Fourth question, x such that x is a common point to any two parallel lines. When we draw two parallel lines, then there is no common point, children. So it's an empty set. It's an empty set. So in the same way, let's see the fifth question, children. Set of even prime numbers. So think whatever the even primes are there, you write in set form, children. Okay, now if elements are there, it's not an empty. If no elements are there, it's an empty set. So this is the way to solve this problem. Children, now let's see second problem in exercise 2.4. So state whether the following sets are finite or infinite. First problem, the set of months in a year. Okay. So children, so what are the months in a year? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So these elements are countable. Okay. So what is the finite and infinite set? If number of elements in a set countable, that's called finite set. And if number of elements in a set not countable, that's called an infinite set. So if you see this question, the set of months in a year has countable elements. So you can, there are 12 months in a year. Okay. So this is finite set. This is finite set. And second, 1, 2, 3, so on, 99, comma 100. So children here, so these are countable. 1, 2, 3, 4, so on till 100 is there. It's countable. So children, this is finite set. Okay, this is finite set. The set of prime numbers smaller than 99, countable. So this is finite set. Okay, next, the set of letters in English alphabet. There are 26 letters in English alphabet, we everyone knows. So this is also finite set. Okay, and the set of lines that can be drawn parallel to the x-axis. Parallel to x-axis, you can draw infinite lines. You can draw infinite lines. So here, number of the elements infinite, means number of the elements infinite, children. So it's an infinite set. It's an infinite set. Okay. Now the set of numbers which are multipliers of 5. So children, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15. So like this, there are so many multipliers of 5 there. So it's an infinite set. Okay. It's infinite set. And next, a set of circles passing through origin. Children, through origin, we can draw infinite of circles through origin. Okay, so children, this is also an infinite set. Okay, this is an infinite set. Okay, so children, this is the way to write whether finite or infinite. So children, I hope you understood well. If you have any doubts, please put in the comment section. Okay, so children, please subscribe and share my channel. And thank you for watching. Bye.